Alright everyone, to create these fabulous ornament clusters, what you're going to need is a variety of sizes of ornaments. I've chosen some glitter ones, some shiny ones, and some matte ones. And then also I've chosen different sizes on ornaments. As you guys can see, I have 4 different sizes. And then what you're going to need is wire cutters to cut your wire. Already, like I told you before, I have my wires pre-cut. So I want to go ahead and get one. This is probably about 7 inches. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your first ornament through. Then you're going to bend it right here, and you might want to twist it. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we put all of our ornaments in varying sizes. You don't want all of the sizes at the same time, because then it will not look like a cluster. Think of it when grapes grow in a vineyard. Not all of the grapes are the same size, and that's what makes them look really, really unique. So I'm going to go ahead and add the last one right here, and I'm going to add this tiny little one at the end. All right, so I have this cluster, kind of looks like a grape. Now here's what you want: a longer wire, because what you want to do is you want to pre-make other ones. And to make it longer, what you need to do is just twist this wire together like this, and then you grab another one and you continue to go up like this, and you just grab another one and you continue to go up like this. And we're gonna grab the last one, and I'm gonna put it right here. And I would use this wire right here to attach to my tree. As you guys can see, I left enough wire, and you have this massive cluster of ornaments that you can use as an ornament in your Christmas tree, and it's going to add so much character.